All right, guys, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars of Palm Beach, doing a walk-around video on this 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Really, really nice rig. We're going to do this video to point out any flaws or blemishes whatsoever, so there's no surprises to any of our out-of-town buyers. Get started right away with front bumper. Bumper's in great shape. It's got some aftermarket LED lights that are really cool. Headlight looks real good. Grille looks real good. Hood looks good. You got some little chips here and there. Nothing major. Front fender looks great. No scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel looks fantastic. Really good looking rims and tires. Practically new tires. Side of the car, really no scratches or dents or dings to speak of. Rear wheel looks great also. It's got a tonneau cover. Rear bumper looks good. Tow hitch in place. The lights look fantastic. Bed liner. Truck is just all there. Passenger side looks great. No scratches, dents, or dings all the way down. This is going to have even better shine once we get it detailed and waxed up. Got a really cool snorkel on it. Let's take a look inside. Super clean, non-smoking vehicle. Dashboard looks great. No smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. Super clean. K&N air filter. This is not a vehicle that's been underwater, so that snorkel really is for just show. There you go.